Hello and welcome to this demo on Show All Matches feature. In this demo, we'll see how the Show All Matches feature highlights all user interfaces or UI elements identified by any individual targeting method. Explain how to use the Show All Matches option while indicating a UI element. We'll use the existing workflow, which opens the Double UI app and type the Cache In field. Here we'll be editing the Type Into activity for the Cache In field to demonstrate Show All Matches. We can use Show All Matches by using the eye icon next to each targeting method. Once it is clicked, we can see all highlighted UI elements identified through a selected method. We can use Show All Matches during the selection of the UI element or while editing an existing selection. Here, we have already opened the workflow, which opens the Double UI app and type the Cache In field. Now, let's use the Show All Matches while editing the target for Type Into activity for Cache In field. Note, even when indicating the new target, process of using Show All Matches remains the same. Let's click Edit Target option. All the targeting methods are displayed. The robot identifies the UI element using three targeting methods, namely a selector, a fuzzy selector, and an image. All three methods are concurrently used at runtime, but it automatically picks the first one that successfully locates by checking target and anchor candidate pairs and redundancy. There are situations where we may want to fine-tune a targeting method to reduce the number of identified candidates. This is where Show All Matches comes in handy. It lets us see all the candidate UI elements identified for each targeting method. We can use Show All Matches by clicking the eye icon from each targeting method. Let's click Show All Matches for Selector method. The selector identified the correct field that we intended. Next, let's try with the other two methods. Let's click Fuzzy Selector. It identified all three similar fields. Now, let's explore Image method. Like Fuzzy Selector, the Image method also identifies all similar fields. We've used Show All Matches for all three targeting methods, and based on its results, we can say the selector could find the correct targeting method. We can use Show All Matches feature in a similar fashion for anchors too. Let's give it a try for all the methods for an anchor. Here, Selector and Fuzzy Selector for the Cache In label, which is an anchor, identified only one element. But with Image, it found duplicates. As of now, we're good with our selection. All targeting methods for the Cache In label, which is an anchor, identified only one element. We're good with our selection, and let's confirm our selection. Let's run our workflow. And it worked as expected. And this brings us to the end of our demo on Show All Matches in the UI automation. For the key takeaways, Show All Matches feature highlights all candidates for a targeting method. Show All Matches will be very helpful when we are fine-tuning targeting methods. Here's a recommendation for you. Make use of this feature while indicating and selecting a target/anchor or while editing a target/anchor to understand each targeting method reliability. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next demo.